Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refund tax from FBR. First, confirm your eligibility for a tax refund. You might be eligible if you've paid excess tax or if your withholding tax exceeds your final tax liability. Gather all necessary documents, such as proof of income and tax deductions, before starting the process. Knowing which taxes qualify for a refund will streamline your application. Once you've confirmed eligibility, access the FBR's online portal or acquire the physical refund form. Carefully complete every section of the application, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid delays. Remember to attach all supporting documents, such as your withholding tax certificates and relevant invoices, as these are crucial for verifying your claim. Double-check everything before submission. To successfully claim your refund, you'll need several key documents. Make sure you have your national tax number, or NTN, and your computerized national identity card, or CNIC, readily available. You must also provide clear proof of tax paid, such as official withholding tax statements. Finally, include your accurate bank account details for direct deposit, ensuring a smooth and efficient refund process. After submitting your claim, you can easily track its progress through the FBR online portal. It's wise to regularly check for updates, as the FBR might have queries or request additional information to process your refund. Be ready to respond promptly. While processing times can vary, refunds are generally completed within a few weeks of a successful and complete submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.